everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to another vlog.
Hey you, I saw you from the distance.
So I'm a strong believer of gifting yourself and pampering yourself with happiness. Every year on my birthday, I make sure I buy something that I really like or something that I've been wanting to have for a while, and I'm doing the same this birthday. Every year, I would buy the product and then post a picture of it on Instagram and Facebook. But this year, since I have YouTube and I have you guys, I thought of creating this video and capturing this memory and sharing my experience with all of you. I don't know आपको ये देखने में interest होगा कि नहीं?
I'm not interested यार, मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है।
मैंने सोचा कुछ साल बाद ये वीडियो मैं खुद देख के खुश हो जाऊंगी। So I've reached Bandra, and if you go towards my right, that side, we have Bandra station. And Bandra is definitely one of my favorite places in Bombay because it has Hill Road and Linking Road, which has been my second home for years now. College ke time, I think everything I wore almost came from Bandra. Okay, Harish उधर बैठा है Earth Cafe में. He actually saw me from the window and he said hi. Hi Harish. Earth Cafe लिखा किधर है? Oh.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, okay.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Yo, what's up?
Harish, your debut on my channel.
Thank you for the opportunity.
How do you feel?
Feel blessed.
How was Dubai?
I guess I have made my debut in the
On
past.
my channel.
Oh no, he didn't.
And my friends are video calling me.
Diwali.
Happy Diwali!
तेरे मुंह पे क्या लगा है? Do a video saying doing makeup on my best friend.
You will be doing makeup on me?
No, तेरे को मेरे पे करना है.
Wait a minute.
You're looking so sexy from this angle. एकदम गोरा गोरा लग रहा है.
Oh, thank you so much. It's all
Oh
lights.
my god, no, it's your charm.
Doing the magic.
It's the post Dubai glow. This is what Harish has bought for himself. The iPad, what? Oh?
iPad Pro 512 GB with pencil.
कितना सस्ते में पड़ा है यहाँ पे?
50,000 बच गया मेरा.
50,000. So what do you tell to people? Should they buy from India or Dubai?
Yeah, Dubai.
He's
Actually.
become the brand ambassador of Dubai by the way.
So we can actually make another vlog on how interestingly I shop. Like I went to a very grey market.
ऐसे सब allowed है क्या करना? Grey market नहीं. It is global pieces that you buy from Dubai, no? Which is why they are cheap.
Right.
हाँ, legal global pieces. एक grey market नहीं बोलते थे उसको.
No, where I went to buy this, it was a grey market. So it was a wholesaler. He was a wholesaler.
Anything or said on this in this vlog, I am not responsible. अगर कोई देख रहा है तो वो जाके इसको पकड़ो.
Don't forget, she has also bought something from my.
हाँ,
from me.
which we are going to reveal at the end of the video. Yes. Now after Earth Cafe, we are heading to where, Harish?
We are going to
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Kitchen Garden.
And by the way, this friend of mine goes only to expensive places.
Rich.
FYI, he just came back from Dubai yesterday, day before yesterday. कभी आया तू?
अभी कल.
हाँ, कल परसों आया, कल आया है ये. तो share your experience in Dubai, Harish.
It's lot. मतलब a 10-minute vlog won't suffice. Okay. But yes, it is amazing. Worth. It is worth.
और मुझे इधर आना, मेरे को उल्टा हो रहा है. मेरे को बेस्ट 3 चीज बोल दुबई के बारे में जल्दी फटाक से.
Burj Al Arab.
Okay.
Burj Khalifa at the top and cars.
Okay,
Fourth
वहाँ
thing,
पे fourth.
if your viewers don't get offended, girls.
I don't think my viewers will get offended.
Yeah.
लड़के ही है वैसे भी.
So as you just saw, only 15% of my subscribers are men. Hence, अगर आप लड़के हो और अगर आप ये वीडियो अभी देख रहे हो, please subscribe. Let's make the ratio 50-50. And even if you're a girl, it's absolutely fine. Even then, subscribe. Ratio को बाद में संभाल लेंगे.
There is this hotel called Five. You'll only see all European chicks over there. Super good. Super classy hotel.
बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा।
कितना गर्व महसूस हो रहा है तेरे
Yeah,
को इतना
I was the only Indian in the pool with all the European chicks around me.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
मैं ये नहीं पूछने वाली थी, मैं कुछ सीरियस पूछने वाली थी। कितना गर्व महसूस हो रहा है, तो इतना सक्सेसफुल बन गया कि
गर्व है ना, Indians between Europeans.
मेरा सवाल क्या था और इसने जवाब क्या दिया। बट कोई नहीं हरीश, आई विश यू मेनी 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 ईयर्स ऑफ ट्रेवल्स एंड अभी ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे तो हम गलत जगह जाएंगे। क्या सेक्सी लगता है यार इसमें हरीश, देखना क्या बाप लग रहा है।
अरे यार बस कर।
आंटी कहना खतरनाक बोल रही है, पता क्या मेरे को, देयर आर पीपल हु आर स्टेयरिंग एट अस बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग दिस। बाय द वे यूट्यूब ब्लॉगिंग, पब्लिक ब्लॉगिंग इज एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट गाइस। आज मैं जब आ रही थी, सोचो जब मैं पहली बार अपना कैमरा, नॉट पहली बार, पहले भी मैंने ब्लॉग किया, अभी लोग मेरे को फिर से घूरते रहेंगे तो उनकी तरफ मैं कैमरा घुमा लूँगी।
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है।
Okay, so
Making you feel,
I know all special and popular. Okay, so today when I was coming on the way, कुत्ते लोग साइंस स्टेशन के सामने, there were two boys on the bike and sitting inside the cab with the windows up, and the सामने वाला guy is telling, अरे पीछे वाले लड़के का फोटो लो ना। I got so angry. ये true story है।
Really?
हाँ. Okay, so my rant is done and now it is finished. You're not. He's always busy on his phone. Harish, come join me. So the time has come where we reveal finally what I bought for myself. Yes. So finally, I have bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 GB. I'm so excited.
The best gift of the day.
It is the most expensive gift that I've given myself, and FYI एकदम clear कर रही हूँ, Harish has not bought this gift. Though I wish, Harish, why didn't you buy this for me as my birthday gift?
ऐसा बोलना था क्या? हाँ, I have not bought it.
He's not bought it. But you should have given me this gift. No, why didn't you buy me this when you knew I wanted a phone? इसने cover भी नहीं लाया मेरे।
The biggest gift I have got is Petty Pack.
Oh yeah, Harish.
Okay.
Harish has got me a Petty Pack iPhone from Dubai, which is a big deal, I understand, and yes, I give you full credit for it. So yes, finally, this is my gift, and now I'm gonna stop talking and stop embarrassing myself and Harish in the cafe. And obviously, I'm not gonna unbox it now. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I will make the most out of it and make another video of unboxing this phone. So stay tuned for that too.
कंटेंट चाहिए, कंटेंट चाहिए।
हरीश,
Enjoy.
इतना 1000 रुपए का इतना छोटा सैंडविच खा के कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा है, tasty है. Very healthy. Let's pretend it's healthy.
Yeah, let's pretend it's very tasty and healthy. No, but I'm sure it's tasty. Is it? Is it? बोलना पड़ेगा ना, 1000 रुपए दिया। Why is there no ketchup? You don't have ketchup?
You eat it like this.
I'm doing time lapse, so don't worry. So after eating, Harish randomly started speaking to someone who was sitting at our bajuwala table. We just started talking and we went on and on for hours. That's how we are na, Harish.
Yes.
किधर भी दोस्त बना लेते हैं. So it felt so good to make new friends at a cafe, like very randomly. And he was, of course, very happy to talk to us. Like, nah.
The person we were speaking to is the owner of a luxurious property near Mumbai. He invited us to his property the same weekend, and coincidentally it was my birthday weekend, and hence we visited the property. I celebrated my birthday with my friends at that magnificent location. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know which place it is, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, abhi follow kar do kyunki wahan par sab kuch time pe upload hota hai. And yes, my birthday weekend vlog at this lovely location is coming up soon on my channel. Stay tuned.
Guys, I think we have reached the end of my vlog. Like I mentioned, I'm definitely doing a proper unboxing of my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max 512 GB. Harish, do you want to close this vlog? What do you want to tell my viewers? Hey, come back.
It was a very happening day with
Oh,
Nisha.
sorry.
It was a very happening day with Nisha, and
Happening day? Yeah. Day, evening.
It was a happening evening.
Why
Where
are
we
you
had-
thinking if it was happening?
Where we had where we had sandwiches worth 1500 rupees.
Hey, not 15, 1100.
नहीं बाबा 1500.
अभी वो 1100 रुपए का सैंडविच मतलब मेरा 500 का पचाने को भी मेरे को बहुत घंटा लगने वाला है हाँ हरीश और
मेरा पच जाता है आराम से।
हाँ उसका पच जाता है, जिसके जेब में पैसे रहते हैं ना उनका जल्दी पच जाता है और वो और खा सकते हैं।
गरीब पर्सन।
ओके से नो, लेट्स क्लोज द व्लॉग। बहुत अंधेरा आ रहा हमारे चेहरे पे। ऐसे ऐसा चल ऐसा करते हैं, एकदम एपिक व्लॉगिंग। ओके हरीश, फाइनली लास्ट फ्यू वर्ड। हरीश एनीथिंग किधर गया लास्ट फ्यू वर्ड। हरीश लास्ट फ्यू वर्ड्स टू माय सब्सक्राइबर्स।
प्लीज गो सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड कमेंट, और मेरे लिए डबल लाइक।
यस, हरीश का इंस्टा हैंडल ऑफ कोर्स आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक इट डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। हरीश एक बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, जब उसका इंस्टाग्राम आप खोलोगे आप समझ जाओगे वो कितना बड़ा आदमी है। सिर्फ साइज से ही नहीं बट औहदे से भी ये बहुत ही बड़ा है। बट वील टॉक अबाउट हरीश एंड माई फ्रेंडशिप इन अ डिफरेंट ब्लॉग। मेरे को उसको इधर ऐसा रैंडमली बताना। कौन सा तेरा बर्थडे का गिफ्ट?
योर ब्लॉग, योर वन डेडिकेटेड ब्लॉग, माय बर्थडे का गिफ्ट।
That you'll come to my vlog is a gift that you're giving me. I want a proper gift.
Damn.
I'm telling it on the video. You've never gifted me anything.
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
I want a gift this time.
Arey, I forgot to give you.
He's bought me a souvenir from Dubai. That is his gift. But it's nice. It's very cute. Harish got me this from Dubai. And Harish, this is not my only birthday gift. Abhi bol rahi hu. This is just a souvenir.
You're gonna get the best birthday gift this year. Best. The best.
This was a very random vlog. That's Bandra saying bye, and that's me saying bye from Bandra. I'm finally heading home now. So as you all know, I'm extremely new to vlogging, especially public vlogging. I really don't know how to vlog, but if you're still watching this video, thank you so much for staying tuned, and thank you so much for watching me till now. If you genuinely like this vlog, please hit the like, and also do comment if you liked anything about this vlog, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. अगर यहाँ तक वीडियो देख रहे हो, एक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है बहुत, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time this crazy girl uploads a video. Thank you so much once again for watching it till the end, and keep smiling.